You've got a deadline, a creative brief, and a powerful set of AI tools. You generate a few visuals, one includes a celebrity lookalike, another references a cultural landmark, and one is headed for global release. You pause and ask, is this okay to publish? Well, that's not a question you need to answer by yourself. Moments like these are when, if you're a part of a bigger team or organization, you'll want to check in with your legal teammates. Legal and compliance teams aren't here to say no. They're here to help you say yes with clarity, confidence, and care. Now, if you're a designer, you don't necessarily need to memorize laws or decode regulations, but you do need to know when to ask questions. Here are a few moments to loop in legal or compliance. Likeness and identity. If your output resembles a real person, even unintentionally, it's worth flagging. This includes public figures, influencers, or anyone whose image might be recognizable. Sensitive themes. Prompts that touch on health, explicit content, violence, self-harm, or trauma may need extra review. Not because they're off limits, but because context matters. Global publishing. What's fine in one region might be problematic in another. If your content is going international, ask about localization and cultural nuance. Referencing brands or styles. If your prompt mimics a known aesthetic, logo, character, or product, check whether it's protected and whether you need permission. Let's say you're designing visuals for a mental health awareness campaign. You use generative AI to create symbolic imagery. It's powerful, but could be misinterpreted. That's when you should loop in compliance and public relations to make sure the message lands the way that you intend. Or maybe you're remixing a viral meme format to promote a product. It's clever, but the original meme references a real person or event. Legal can help you assess whether it's fair use, parody, or something that needs a rethink. And if you're a solo creator, don't panic that you're a one-person team without a legal team to check in with. At Adobe, we believe creators should have freedom and support. So when you use Adobe Firefly models, you can rest assured that the content it generates is commercially safe. And if legal and compliance teams are part of your creative ecosystem, then here are my best tips for how to work with them. Flag early. If something feels off, speak up. It's easier to adjust the prompt than to revise a published asset. Keep a record. Save your prompts, edits, and sources. Adobe's content credentials can help you show how your content was made and what tools were used. Ask for insight, not necessarily approval. You're not asking, can I do this? You're asking, what should I consider? That shift makes collaboration smoother. Frame it as leadership. Ethical publishing isn't just a legal responsibility, it's a creative one. You're helping protect your team, your audience, and your brand. Even with safe tools, collaboration is key. Legal and compliance teams help you navigate the gray areas. They help you ask better questions, and they help you publish with integrity. So now that you know how to work with these teams, get in the habit of including them in your creative process.